Oh yeah, dude. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Ooh, dude, these look nice. Got our gaskets. Came with new hardware, that's dope. So, hold on. So, until I get the lift, this is what it's looking like. Dude, look at the fitment on that. That's what I want it to look like.
I'm trying to get some. What we doing, right? Yo, what we doing?
We're trying to take off the headers.
Headers. What's the headers?
These things. But I don't have a torque wrench. And I don't have a lift.
You need one?
You don't have a torque wrench.
Do you need a jack and a torque wrench?
I know you don't have a torque wrench.
What is a torque wrench? Is it like one of those, the long ones that go like, and it's like,
Yeah, but it makes a click click.
yeah, like the, that's what you're talking about?
You have one.
I'll bring my tools over.
If this dude has a torque wrench and I don't, I'll be surprised. That's what I'm saying. There's no way this kid has a torque wrench. And I don't. I have my whole tool set right here. Yeah. Yeah, I'll probably pull a socket out. But yeah. Sheesh, she looks clean, but yeah, I don't have a lift. Not yet, at least. I'm trying to make a purchase. But we just put her on the curb. This is what the true fitment of the Integra I want. You see that? I could fit a finger under there. But this is how the fitment looks normally. It's about a 2-inch drop. But we're gonna try to take off the heat shield. Look at this dude brought. No, come here. Troy. I just want to see what you brought. What did you bring?
You think this is?
Troy, bro.
Something that had nothing to do with a torque wrench?
Yep, I told you. I said there's no way this kid has a torque wrench. So we got the steaming hot bolts off. We should just be able to. That didn't sound too good. And then I believe what we have under here is this. Yeah, it's pinned onto that bracket right there. And then there's 2 bolts. We're gonna take out our O2 sensor with a 7/8, and we should be able to get this whole thing off. Your shit might be in the electrical. Let's see what they got here. Get you some hammers. Get you some. Let's see. Torque wrench. 1.5. Dude, that shit's massive. Alrighty, so we're in the cave of Kirkataka 2. Yeah, I'm shirtless. Got this one out on this side, and then this one's out on this side. I have oil everywhere. I don't even know from what. Just sludge. But, yeah. So, this is off. Then I gotta get a 7/8 on that. And then I gotta do 2 more things. And this should fall. I think I still have the head studs up there. Just so that I don't get crushed. But yeah, it's a little bit harder when you don't have the auto shop. Or a lift. But, you know, I'm eager to do it. So, that's what makes it fun. Good check engine on it. Who knows? But we have our new ones right here. Let's go. So we're gonna put the gasket on first, fit it up, and see how it looks. It looks great, man. Step by step, coming on my liking. Wow. Okay, guys. It's 9 o'clock. It sucks doing this at home. I don't have the proper tools. I don't know what I was thinking. Mind you, I started at 5:20. The cat isn't bolted up all the way, so I can kind of smell it. And there's some squealing, but that's a problem for tomorrow's solution.
To the sport, I'm just chilling with my bros, but you can pull up to the spot. In the haunted house, I'ma say what? Hell yeah, free my brother, say what? I told her pull up to the spot.